In a world where spirituality and personal growth are gaining momentum, there is a concept that has caught the attention of thousands. Manifestation. The ability to create your reality through the power of intention has become a focal point for individuals seeking to transform their lives. Today, we delve into the teachings of Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist and researcher who has left an indelible mark on the world of manifestation. Through her innovative regression techniques, Cannon discovered profound insights into the mysteries of the mind and the hidden potentials within us all. Join us on this transformative journey as we explore the wisdom that Dolores Cannon has shared with the world. At the core of manifestation lies the power of intention. It is the firm determination to make something happen, to align our thoughts, beliefs, and desires towards a specific goal. Dolores Cannon firmly believed that our thoughts and desires are like magnets, attracting corresponding experiences into our lives. By setting clear, focused intentions, we can direct our life's path and consciously shape our future. Have you ever noticed the power that writing holds? Dolores Cannon emphasized the significance of writing down your intentions. By putting pen to paper, you provide a concrete framework for your desires to manifest. The act of writing sends a powerful message to your brain that your goal is real and tangible. It helps to solidify your intention and serves as a reminder of what you are actively working towards. Writing down your intentions also allows you to clarify and refine your goals. As you articulate your desires on paper, you gain clarity and a deeper understanding of what you truly want to manifest. It helps you to distinguish between fleeting desires and the ones that are truly aligned with your authentic self. Manifestation is not purely a passive process. It requires intentional action towards our goals. Dolores Cannon encouraged individuals to take responsibility for their manifestation journey by creating an action plan. This involves drafting a statement outlining the steps and actions needed to bridge the gap between your current state and your desired outcome. By defining the necessary steps, you break down your goal into manageable tasks, making it less overwhelming. This action plan serves as a roadmap, guiding you towards your desired destination. It also helps you to stay focused and motivated, as you have a clear direction and know exactly what needs to be done. Manifestation is not just about our thoughts. It is also about our emotions. Dolores Cannon emphasized the importance of aligning our emotions with our intentions. Our emotions act as sponsored thoughts, the driving force behind our actions. By consciously connecting our desires with positive emotions, we give our body a preview of the future we seek to manifest. To harness the power of sponsored thoughts, it is essential to cultivate positive emotions such as gratitude, joy, and love. When we feel and believe that our desires are already present in our lives, we create a vibrational match with those desires, attracting them into our reality. Keeping track of your progress is crucial in the manifestation process. Dolores Cannon encouraged individuals to keep a journal or create a visual board to record and celebrate their achievements. By acknowledging the manifestations that have already occurred, we reinforce our belief in the power of intention. Tracking your achievements not only helps you to appreciate the manifestations that have come to fruition, but also provides clarity on the progress you have made. It allows you to reflect on the steps you have taken and the obstacles you have overcome, building confidence and momentum towards future manifestations. Dolores Cannon advocated for the use of physical cues as reminders of our intentions. These physical cues can be as simple as a piece of jewelry, a photograph, or a symbol that holds personal significance. Placing these cues strategically in our environment serves as constant triggers, keeping our desires at the forefront of our minds. These physical reminders act as a bridge between our conscious and subconscious minds. They serve as visual cues that reinforce our intentions and remind us of the manifestations we seek to create. By surrounding ourselves with these physical reminders, we create an environment that supports our manifestation journey. To manifest our desires, we must first cultivate conscious awareness. Dolores Cannon urged individuals to observe and change disempowering thoughts and behaviors. By becoming aware of the patterns that limit us, we can shed the layers, masks, and habits that obstruct the flow of our divine selves. Conscious awareness is about being fully present in the moment and cultivating mindfulness. It involves observing our thoughts, emotions, and actions without judgment and with a willingness to grow and evolve. Through conscious awareness, we can identify and release the beliefs and emotions that hinder our manifestation process, making room for new possibilities and experiences. Dolores Cannon advised that it's essential to keep our goals private and only share them with those who will actively support us. By protecting our intentions from doubt and skepticism, we can build the necessary energy and belief to manifest our desires. Sharing our goals with others who may not fully understand or support us can invite negativity and doubt into our manifestation journey. It is important to surround ourselves with individuals who uplift us, encourage us, and genuinely believe in our ability to manifest our desires. By keeping our goals private, we maintain the sacred space necessary for our intentions to grow and flourish. In the process of transformation, discomfort is inevitable. Dolores Cannon encouraged individuals to embrace the discomfort and let go of old habits and beliefs that no longer serve them. Stepping out of our comfort zones allows us to grow, expand, and experience new opportunities and experiences. Embracing discomfort is about being open to change and adapting to new situations. It requires pushing through fear and resistance, knowing that growth lies on the other side. By embracing discomfort, we release the limitations that hold us back and create space for the manifestations that align with our highest selves. Ultimately, Dolores Cannon believed that manifestation was about becoming the person we were meant to be. By aligning our desires with our deeper purpose, we unlock our true potential and embrace the journey of self-discovery and self-actualization. Manifestation is not just about material possessions or external achievements. It is about aligning with our authentic selves and living a life that is in harmony with our true purpose and values. By connecting with our inner wisdom, we can manifest the life we are destined to live, filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. As we close this chapter on Dolores Cannon's teachings on manifestation, let us remember that our journey towards creating our reality is an ongoing process. By implementing her wisdom and techniques into our lives, we unlock the power of intention within us all. If you found this video insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. We'd love to hear about your manifestation journey in the comments section below. Remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams. May you be blessed with abundance and fulfillment on your journey of manifestation. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting.